Obviously, when we're talking about girl groups right now, it's hard not to talk about Beanie. As SB19 had done before in the past, this year naman we saw Beanie's rise, right? So what does this say about the current P-pop scene, the industry, and its audiences, and local groups being able to compete with K-pop ones? Yeah.
Ay, masabi ko lang, the industry is thriving talaga. Flourishing. Kumbaga, papunta na tayo doon. In a few years more, malaki yung na-imagine ko for the P-pop community, for the OPM, syempre. Kasi di ba, Beanie is also making waves sa global scene. Maganda rin po yun talagang start na talagang unti-unti napapakilala na natin yung Filipino culture or Filipino music all over the world. And yan naman po talaga yung ginugol ni SB19 and syempre ni Wanzi from the get-go. So nakakatuwa na maraming groups pa ang nag-i-emerge, maraming groups pa ang nagtatry, and maraming groups pa ang nakikilala pa unti-unti. And syempre, it's only a matter of time for the Filipino audience to be fully accepting sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Kasi right now, I could say na hindi pa lahat ng tao very open pagdating sa P-pop craze. Kasi iba siya yung setup eh. Dati banda-banda, nagkaroon ng hip-hop movement din dito sa atin. Ngayon naman, group naman, P-pop groups naman. So, hopefully mabigyan siya ng chance. Kung hindi ngayon, sana gradually mabigyan siya ng chance. And syempre na magsunod-sunod din yung mga programs supporting these P-pop para na sa ganun mas mapropel siya ng mas mataas.
I think with the rise of Beanie kasi, kita natin gaano sila kasikat ngayon, no? Ibig sabihin, there's an interest in P-pop eh. No? So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya na-unlock before, pero it means Filipinos are also very open to listen to Filipino music, kahit ganitong setup, kahit it's a P-pop or kung ano mang klaseng pagdamit mo dun sa kanta. It means there's an audience. So it's an opportunity for everyone, for all the P-pop artists and for the upcoming ones. There is an audience. So all you have to do is really to create your music and to be yourself. Kasi yun ang main ingredient din dito talaga eh. You really have to para bang part ng kulturang Pilipino yung music mo. Parang ganun siya.
Sabi nga nila, ang music ng Pinoy talagang tumatagos.